Welcome back to PowMr's channel. Today we are excited to introduce our latest product, the POW-LIO51400-16S stackable lithium iron phosphate battery. The POW-LIO51400-16S combines safety, convenience, flexibility, compact size, and ample energy storage capacity. Each battery module has a capacity of 100 Ah and operates at a voltage of 51.2 volt. It supports a maximum charge and discharge current of 100 ampere. You can stack up to 60 battery modules in parallel to expand the system capacity, allowing for a maximum capacity of 81.92 kWh. The built-in CAN, RS-485 and RS-232 communication ports supports BMS communication. The stackable design significantly reduces installation time, providing a convenient solution that optimizes space utilization. The plug-and-play wiring design allows users to easily and efficiently complete the wiring process. In terms of battery module design, the POW-LIO51400-16S features A-grade lithium iron phosphate cells, offering outstanding performance in safety, lifespan, and energy storage capacity, with a cycle life of up to 6,000 cycles. It optimizes the efficiency and performance of the energy storage system. BMS communication helps prevent detrimental conditions such as overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, and over-temperature, ensuring comprehensive protection for the battery pack and promoting the safe and stable operation of the energy storage system. The high-efficiency heat dissipation and wide operation temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius enable the battery to operate smoothly even under high charging and discharging conditions. This battery is not only compatible with PowMr's self-developed inverters, but also universally suitable for majority of inverter brands on the market. That covers all the detail about the POW-LIO51400-16S lithium iron phosphate battery. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to leave a comment. You are also welcome to visit our website to explore our PowMr solar product. Until the next video, goodbye.